Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how you can search your database for candidates and contacts who live within a certain radius of a particular location. In order to search your database, go to Advanced Search. Once you are on the Advanced Search page, you can add one of the filters, decide whether you want to search through your candidates or contacts. For this example, we are going to search for candidates within 15 kilometers radius of Dallas. So one of the filters over here is radius search. So click on radius search. Let's search for 15 kilometers of a location, Dallas. This particular location is tied to Google Maps. So if you have a particular location on Google Maps that you want to search through, you can put that exact location. Over here, I'm just going to use Dallas and hit done over here. And that's it. All of these, it will tell me all the candidates currently in my database who live within 15 kilometers radius of Dallas, Texas. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions at all, feel free to get in touch with us with our live support chat over here. Have a good day ahead. Bye-bye.